So what do we have to do?
What do we have to do? Let's talk about it. First, we have to start off with a big hug. Oh. Did you know that you give the best hugs in the world?
Yeah. Mommy still hugs Mommy. I have to.
Yes. Oh, that's such a good tight squeeze.
That's done.
You're a good hugger. All right, sit on my lap. We are gonna make a shirt today.
Okay.
Okay. Do you remember when Mommy bought this shirt?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna put something on it because it's a plain one.
Yeah, it's plain, and we want to put some words on it. Do you know what words Mommy was thinking about putting on this shirt?
Barrett.
Barrett. I was thinking about putting the words "Be Kind" on your shirt. Do you know why? Can you tell me why it's important to be kind?
Yeah, because it gets you candy.
Because it gets you candy?
Yeah.
Why else is it important to be kind?
Because your grown-ups let you play whatever you want on the screen.
Oh, you like playing screens? So that's why it's good to be kind? Do you know why I think it's important to be kind?
Why?
Because it makes everybody feel happy and loved.
Oh, and when they love you, that's a smart idea.
That's a smart idea.
Yeah.
You're cute.
Walking up the stairs and brushing your own teeth, saying I love you when you accidentally hold it.
Yeah, that's a great way to be kind. Say I love you and I'm sorry. You are a very kind boy. Did you know that?
That's what I could see what could get candy.
Yeah. Was Sierra kind today?
Yeah.
All right, ready to get started?
Nope.
What? I thought you were going to help me.
Yes.
Are you still going to help me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to go over here to Cricut Design Space.
See, Mom, it got my so clean.
Wow, you're getting your shirt so clean. We're going to open it up. Do you like making stuff with Mommy?
Yeah, I did it before.
Yeah, we made a video before. We like doing Cricut crafts together.
Oh
no! What if they can't see where to get it now?
Do you want me to show you why this is on?
Yeah, show me why.
This is on because it makes you so clean.
Oh, it makes it clean? Because
Yes.
it takes all the lint off it?
See?
This is actually what tells us where the shirt is from and how much it costs. So this is important to people who want to make this shirt in our video. This shirt was $3.98 and it's from Walmart.
We use this.
Yeah, so we can show them this tag and then they can find out where to buy it themselves. So I'm on Walmart's website right now looking up the shirt. It is this tie-dye one you see in the back right here, but I didn't buy it as a multi-pack. I bought one shirt for $3.98. It looks like they're out of stock on their website or they're only selling it as these multi-packs. So if you have a Walmart near you and you like this shirt, just check the boys department there. I got a size 5T. So the first thing that we want to do is upload our design. Can you help me measure? Do we have a ruler somewhere? Is that one right there? Can you grab that? We need to figure out how big your shirt is. You gotta measure it on Mommy. So we're gonna turn it this way. And we gotta start at 0.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
It's 8 wide, but we're gonna go a little shorter to like 6 wide. Then we turn it this way. We're probably gonna want to do about 6 down too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then we can take our mouse right here, and right now, see it says 10 and 10, but we want to shrink it down. See, it says 9, 8, 7, 6. And then we're going to weld it so it's one big piece. We're going to click make it.
Mama.
And then we're going to mirror image it. And then we can put that picture on the shirt.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need help cutting my vinyl.
Okay, I will help you.
I would love that.
Wait, so where do we cut? Mommy.
Okay. So, we need to take this and slide it in here till it gets to about 6.5. So right there on our ruler. Now, can you do the slidey thing? You gotta take this part and then slide it down to you. Now, push it all the way back up again. Go pshoo!
That cuts it.
Yes, that cuts it. So then we can pull it off. Mommy's gonna try. See, now instead of having this big roll, we have a little piece. And now we're gonna turn it this way, and we're gonna do the same thing at 6.5. Don't cut yet. Wait till I say. Okay, right here. Good job. Do it again. Now this is the piece that we're gonna use. Now we need to put it on the sticky mat. Do you know where the sticky mat is?
Yeah.
Where?
It'll still work because you know when it's sticky, that makes it so sticky. And then we're gonna cut.
Okay, so see how this has a really shiny side and then a not so shiny side?
Yeah.
We have to take the really shiny side and make it go right up in this corner.
Right here?
Yep. That is perfect.
It has to match the corner.
Yeah, it has to go right in the corner. Now smooth it down with your hands. That is a very good job. Do you know what comes next? What do we have to do with this?
We have to cut the bottom of it off so it will only be a straight square line.
We need to put this into our Cricut machine.
Yeah.
So that our Cricut machine, oh, we gotta leave it on the mat. Remember, we slide the mat in with the vinyl right into the machine. So we get to go do that now. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's really cute. See that blinking button?
Yeah.
Can you push that button? Now, do you see the blinking C?
When
Look.
I see blinking buttons, I press.
Yeah, look, now it's gonna cut it out. Don't push any more buttons, we just watch. You wanna watch it?
Yeah.
It's thinking right now. It says, how do I make this project? I think I know. Is that pretty cool? Yeah.
Right here, she likes it when it will play there. She's a baby kitty cat. We'll always be taking care of my baby cat, kitty cat.
She's the sweetest, huh?
You want me to tell why I have to take care of her?
Yeah, tell me why.
Because when you love them so much, you have to take care of them. And you know what it means when you want something, you have to adopt to play with it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Did you know that taking care of animals is part of being kind?
Yeah.
Yeah, we give them food and water.
Mommy, I be kind to Maddie and Kai. I get Maddie food and water, and I get Kelly food and water too.
Yeah, you take such good care of your pets.
Yes,
You're a good helper.
I'm a good helper.
Are you ready to help me with my Cricut project? All right, let's go.
Sometimes I love my baby kitty cat all the time.
You're the cutest. Look how cute you are. Where'd Barrett go? Where is he? Oh! You scared me. Where's Barrett? There he is. Whoop. Whoop. All right, you ready to weed our project?
Yeah.
What's this thing?
A weeding tool that helps you weed them out.
What does weeding mean?
Weeding means you can weed the garbage parts out.
The garbage parts, yeah. We pick out the parts we don't want and then we put them in the garbage.
Yeah, and then we get the parts we want and keep making them.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Let's show our friends how we weed out the garbage pieces.
Guys, even cuter than you.
Callie's cuter than me.
Yeah.
Nobody's cuter than you.
Callie is.
Callie's cuter.
Come here.
You did it!
I wasn't the blinking button.
Good job! You got the mat to come out.
What is this?
All right, now we're gonna pull it out and we can weed it. All right, come on up. All right, remember how to do this? You gotta hook it and then hold this part down with one hand and then pull with this hand. Pull from over here. Yep, now pull it towards Mama. Yep. Now can you use your hooky tool and get in between the letters?
Make sure you don't get the letter.
Yeah, you just want to get in the middle of the letter. Yeah. So we're gonna start right in the middle. Nice. Can you get in the middle of the heart?
We're making a Cricuter video right now.
Alright, Mama's gonna get the next piece for you.
Okay.
Ready? Gotta go.
Ooh, what are you making?
Pull it up.
What are you making?
We're making a shirt.
A shirt? A Be Kind shirt? Matching the mask?
Yeah. Now we can pull it up.
And then next we can add it on.
That looks pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
You're all done helping me, Cricut? Okay, I'll let you go play some Lego Marvel.
If you want, I could do another Cricut with you.
Do you love doing Cricuts with me?
Yeah, I like watching your video.
Oh, I love when you help me with my videos. Hey, what are you doing to that kitty cat with that slinky?
I'm playing with her.
I don't know if she wants you to do that.
Yeah, she likes.
Pets are so sweet.
please like and